Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make clear slime without clear glue or borax. Take some soap, and I'm sure most brands work for this, but I can't assure you all brands work, and you're going to put it into a bowl. After you have your desired amount, you're going to take some salt and put little bits at a time into the soap. Then start to mix. You'll see it start to clump together. Continue to add little bits of salt. With more and more mixing, I managed to make it become slime. Now poke it, take it out, and knead it. So that is how you make clear slime without clear glue or borax. As you can tell right now, it's not perfectly clear, but if you want it to be perfectly clear, keep it in a container and wait a couple days until all the air bubbles rise to the top and it should become clear. Anyways, if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!